ego manifests in so many ways. When you say, let me outperform myself, I will do better than what I did yesterday, and you pride in yourself. See, this is called pride. Of course, it's an opposite of ego. Also, when you say, okay, I can do this, this is my ability, there is no ego about it also, though it reflects ego at some level. When you say, I am so and so, I am PhD, there is no ego about it. But when you say, there is nobody other than myself who can play better flute, or nobody is better than my PhD thesis, or nobody is better than myself, then it is blatant arrogance. All three are manifestations of ego. Yet one will take you in a right direction where you can evolve yourself and abilities. Other one will hurt the whole society, starting with oneself first.